I'm learning how to use our new camera that Santa brought the boys for Christmas, a new GoPro. So maybe the videos will look a little better. We're headed back to hunt today. This is my third time to hunt this year, which is a big deal because I usually never go more than one time. So we're splitting up teams again.
I think the last time you went hunting was last week.
Yeah.
But the first time you went hunting wasn't it when you had the brown gun?
I'm not sure. No, I think I used the black gun. So me and Kate are going, and we're looking for Jimmy, who's a deer with 4 horns on one side and 2 on the other, or
Floppy.
Jeffy, which has a floppy ear, and Charlie is looking for his first buck today.
The 10 points.
So maybe we'll actually leave today with something. It's New Year's Eve, so maybe it's good luck. Maybe we'll end the year with a kill. Trent just dropped us off and we're headed to hunt at the Mexican Kool-Aid stand.
There's just some ducks over here.
So many ducks flying out of this pond. Back here on this gravel road. And there was a bunch of them. Oh, there's so many. There's like 30 ducks flying out. Well, they're all left now. There was like so many. So many ducks. Well, I'm out of breath, but we made it to the Mexican Kool-Aid stand. We had to stop because on our way in we saw about 20 wood ducks, so we had to call Trent, and he got excited and had to come over and see them. So, but now we've made it, and we're hoping we see a deer quick so we can get out of here and get back to the camp house because it's New Year's Eve and we've got some friends coming over to shoot fireworks.
Max.
Yeah. We already got our candy. We'll see how long it lasts us today. This is the field. Go ahead and open that window up, Kate. I'm out of breath, but I sure am thankful that it ain't hot today. It actually feels good. I think it's in the mid-50s. It's the perfect temp to hunt, in my opinion. Not too hot, not too cold. Don't eat all those. You gotta share them.
They're mine.
Cade didn't eat lunch, so he'll probably have the whole bag eaten in about 5 minutes.
Well, Daddy didn't make me a sandwich.
You said you didn't want a sandwich.